So I am at Target and I need to get a few large clear plastic bins for storage as I pack up my classroom.
0.7 WDOZ Pearson Crescent City.
Or even the mids, whoever gets the time to do it first thing in the morning is going to write out the actual. Friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am cleaning up my classroom. We have one day to do this. If we need an extra day, we could ask the principal. This is one of the few things I don't like about teaching is that every year we have to pack up our classroom and I've just cleaned everything up and put everything away because we never know of any changes in the summer. The first thing I'm gonna try to do is turn in this technology cart, which as you can see, I don't have a lot to turn in. I just have the document camera, my projector broke, turn that in. I brought in all of my TEs, my teacher editions from my house, and I'm gonna turn it in today to our media specialist. So I got the cart all loaded up with all of my TEs and everything, the laptop, which I will check out for the summer, but everything else that I need to turn into our media specialist. Looks like I got a bin right here. First day goodies. I made a video of how I put together my first day goodies for my students, and I'm gonna link that video up on the cards and also in the info box below if you are interested. All this mess needs to be packed up and cleaned up. Today I need to work on this area right here. This is my teacher area, so as you can see there's a lot of paperwork there. I need to clean up my teacher desk. Need to clean out right there. So I feel like I did not make any progress today, but I am taking a bunch of things to Goodwill. It feels like I did not do much today. Hey friends, so welcome back. Today I got here like it's 11:30 now. I got here about half an hour ago. I started cleaning some of the tubs that I have, a whole bunch of them from the classroom library, and I put them in this huge plastic bag right here. Cleaning out my desk. That wall is clear, that as well, and I started taking part of my board down. These boxes and carts I will be trying to take home, hoping to finish it by tomorrow, one more day. All right, so it's 5 o'clock and I need to go home. I need to come back again to just finish off the classroom. I finished putting away all of my personal classroom library books that belong to me personally. I like to take those home over the summer to make sure that they're protected. The 2 red bins belong to the school, and as well as those leveled readers up there. Then this wall is pretty much finished. Okay, so I got here about 15 minutes ago, around 10:30, and it's Friday. It's my last day to finish up the classroom, and so I still have what I showed you, this left to do. Gonna try my best. I have to finish it all today. So as you can see, this is pretty much the way I'm gonna leave my classroom for the summer. This is as much as I can pack up the classroom for the summer break. It is now 3:25, and so the board is completely clean. I'm just gonna leave the ABCs up there, the alphabet. I think I'm gonna leave that there for the summer. I'm sure I can take it if I need to. Teacher desk area is all clean. Empty drawers, empty. And so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and for all your support throughout the years. And please click like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. As you can see, my car is all loaded up. This is Mrs. Stevens signing off for the 2019-2020 class. And until next time, have courage and be kind.